The sixth learning objective is to prepare the financial statements from the adjusted trial. The sixth learning objective is to prepare the financial statements from the adjusted trial balance. The financial statements are prepared from the adjusted trial balance. The three main financial statements are the income statement, which reports revenues minus expense, the statement of retained earnings, which shows why and how retained earnings changed during the period, and the balance sheet, which reports assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The financial statement should be prepared in the following order: income statement to determine the net income or loss, statement of retained earnings to compute ending retained earnings, and the balance sheet, which needs the amount of ending retained earnings to achieve its balance. Using the amounts from the worksheet, the income statement is prepared first. All financial statements should have a heading that includes the name of the company, the name of the statement, and the time period it covers. I like to use who, what, when. Expenses should be listed largest to smallest. Net income is computed by subtracting the total expenses from the revenue. Next, the statement of retained earnings is prepared. The income from the income statement is added to the beginning balance to determine the ending balance of retained earnings. The amount will carry forward to the balance sheet. Last, the balance sheet is prepared listing the assets, liabilities, and equity of the company. Notice that accumulated depreciation is reported in the assets section directly underneath the furniture account. It is then subtracted from the cost of the furniture to compute book value. Also notice that the retained earnings balance does not come from the worksheet, but from the statement of retained earnings. Always make sure your balance sheet balances assets equal liabilities plus equity. Exercise 3-25 asks you to prepare financial statements. Using the adjusted trial balance to determine the adjusting journal entries. Exercise 3-25 shows the effects of adjusting entries on the income statement. Exercise 3-25 continues to ask you to prepare financial statements. This is statement of retained earnings. The exercise continues on this slide with the preparation of a balance sheet.